going to Africa. Okay, so landscape project, check. I stopped and picked up a few more things that I needed. Listen, you never really know how much you need for a trip until it's time to go on that trip. And even when you plan, because I planned, we had lists, we checked things off the list, you still realize that there's a few more things that you need when it really comes down to it. Little things that you don't even think of, like something just to cover your face, wet ones. I had to think at the last minute, like clean drinking water is often an issue for where we're going. So I got a Sawyer straw, but you know, like I'm gonna just show you some of the stuff. It's stuff everywhere. Judge me if you want to, judge your mama, I don't care, but I'm about to show you. It looks a mess, but I only got a few days left, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Quite a few things. I know it looks messy, but it's kind of organized chaos. I have some packing to do. I'm taking both of these suitcases right here. I'm taking bubble wrap because I plan on buying a few things while I'm there, and I wanted to come back safely. Got a sleeping bag. I got mixed reviews about if I should get a sleeping bag or not. Some people are like, no, never. I don't know. I'm leaving it there with the family that's hosting us, so I don't care. But I got a few of these. These are my favorite actually because it's like a multifunctional scarf. It has an opening down here and at the top, and so you can make it into a headband, a face scarf, a hair tie, whatever you want. But it came with four, this one, and this tie-dye one. But these are my favorite out of almost everything I got, I think. I got a new selfie stick and a tripod because I'm definitely going to be vlogging. I wound up getting 2 batteries. I ordered one on Amazon that my dad got for me, and then my mom wound up getting me one on my birthday. Some waterproof bags. I'm gonna keep my passport and stuff like that in those, and depending on where we go, I might have to put my camera in there. You know, basic toiletry things. Universal charger. I don't even know how this works yet. Adapter, but I mean, it says it will work for anywhere basically. So oh, look at that, it popped out, didn't even know it. But don't look at the ash on my hands. I just got finished doing the landscape project, don't judge me. But wet ones, I got these simply because we needed a solution for when we hit the water. Now this might not be the best solution for everybody, but I didn't want to wear rain boots. I thought they would be too heavy and too hot, so I needed something that my feet would dry fast. That was my only goal. But a few other things I just got. Stocked up on some sups that I can take with me. Everything that's either chewable or a lozenge, so if I don't have water at the time, I don't need it. I'm leery about putting things like this on my skin, but I got it just in case. I'm just gonna have to wash it off every day. But I mean, if it repels and kills all these bugs, I really don't know if I want it absorbing into my skin, but they said we need it, so I'm gonna be obedient. This is pretty cool because it says it'll keep your cold drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. So I thought that was cool. Got my bucket hat for the sun, some moisture wicking shirts. Oh yeah, I showed you this, but I didn't even point it out. This is a Sawyer straw. Now I compared this to the Life straw, and I don't think there's anything wrong with Life straw, but as far as functionality, ease of use, and just the overall design, it's a lot smaller than the Life straw. I picked this one. I looked up all the reviews. Every review, when you compared it head to head, Sawyer won. And so I'm looking forward to trying out for myself. If you don't know, this straw is basically a filter that filters dirty water and makes it clean, drinkable water. So I really appreciate that. But I still got a lot to go. I still have to pack my clothes and things like that. But these are just the things I've had to pick up. Just, you know, last minute things that you don't even necessarily think of right away. This is just toiletries. I don't want to take my toiletries that I have here. So this is my deodorant. This is the only deodorant I use. Fluoride free toothpaste, my black soap for my body. Got some shea butter, some chew sticks. You know, that's just how I roll. This is the extra fanny pack for under your clothes, which I appreciate. You don't really necessarily want all your stuff hanging out. And these, oh, guess what? So I got these. I don't know if they were going to be great or whatever, but I don't have a big foot. I wear an 8 in women. Sometimes a 7.5. and they said these come in men's sizes. So I ordered a men's small, which they said should be about 6.5. Listen, I couldn't even get this on my foot, y'all, like at all, but whatever. So those are neoprene socks. I really wanted to wear those, but it's too late to send them back to Amazon and get my money back, order a new pair. I'm just excited though. This is the stuff that you saw on my floor. I'm not a dirty person. It's just when the kids came over, because all the neighborhood kids came over to my house for my birthday party, they decided they wanted to pop balloons. So that's what you saw all over my floor. But yeah, anyway, I mean, I still got a few days left. Got some more packing to do. Well, I haven't started packing, but I have 1 or 2 more things to pick up to pack, and we're out of here. I'm so excited. I'm ready. Here we go. That's the Quan's version of belly dancing. All right, you guys are crazy. I'm telling them what we're going to be doing in Dubai. As soon as I mentioned belly dancing, they said, "Oh, belly dancing." This is their version of belly dancing. This is their version of belly dancing.
I was like, he's like, come on, boy.
Yes, so oh my gosh, this is belly dancing. Oh yeah, he was showing himself.
Right, she said, you supposed to be my baby. He said, no. Who said that?
He said, you know what I was doing the whole time?
He said,
I'm in Kroger with mommy. I'm leaving tomorrow. We have to grab.
She don't know what she's doing.
We have to grab some snacks because the first leg of the trip is a long bus ride. So mom keeps saying I'm not leaving. It's time to go. Time flew. Like at first it seemed so far away, and now it's tomorrow.
She gonna get there and I'm gonna say, I got a treat for you, and she gonna come running back.
That's a T'Challa reference. That's hilarious. Looking for last minute snacks. This is all a part of it. I see my aunt, seen Uncle Bill, see my dad. Everybody. Well, I didn't see my dad.
She's
today.
not going.
I didn't see my dad today. He left yesterday. But yeah, it's almost that time. Hey guys, last night before the trip, have I packed anything? No. Does that matter? No. Why? Because I'm going to Africa. Finally, and it would not have been made possible without the help of everyone who chipped in, from my mom, my dad, my babe, Uncle Bill, my aunt. Everybody just did so much to help me along this journey. And of course, I think I mentioned this before, all the people on my GoFundMe, like from years ago. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to keep you updated. I'm going to be vlogging the entire time as much as I can whenever I can get to Wi-Fi. I had to talk to AT&T and get it's called a passport package or something like that. So I'm able to use my phone while I'm there. But this is it. Last night, our bus leaves at like 1 or 2 o'clock tomorrow, and from there we go to DC, from DC to Dubai, from Dubai to Kenya. So here we go. Get ready. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.